Hey guys, everyone's been sharing their favorite fall flowers, which thank you so much. It's been so fun to see what everyone is saying their favorite flowers are in the autumn time. And I promised I would share you my top 5, so here they are in no particular order. We're going to start mine off with the Dahlia. I love the Dahlia. If you have heard anything about my favorite summer flowers, you'll also notice that it is also on my summer flower favorite list. It's symmetrical, it's beautiful, it comes in a million different colors. It just has like this vibrant textural look without being too fluffy. Such a unique looking flower, and I just love it. I love seeing it in the garden. It's magnificent. They don't last very long in a vase, but they're worth it for like the 3 to 4 days that you can get them to look good inside. It's worth it. And then number 2 we'd say is an antique hydrangea. Hydrangeas are a really beautiful summer flower, really saturated in color, but by autumn time they turn into these really muted tones. Look, I have some in my yard right behind me. Hello, beautiful hydrangea. You can see that this is a little more saturated in color, and then by autumn time it starts to get a little more, look how it's totally changed colors. The fact that they even do that, they're not dying, they're not dead, they're just changing colors. Like with the season, I love it. It's so pretty. They play so well in a vase with other colors when they have that more muted tone, less saturated. It makes me want to arrange more with hydrangea in the fall, for sure. And then number 3 I'm going to say is a snowberry. Snowberries come in 2 colors, white and fuchsia. And I love using the white for weddings. It's just so fun. It adds so much fun texture to a wedding bouquet. I love it. But I also love the fuchsia in the fall because the colors play so well together when you're using those autumn tones, those reds, those oranges, yellows. It's a really beautiful, beautiful berry. Great texture, holds up great in a vase. So snowberry is my number 3. Number 4 I'm going to say is an amaranthus. Amaranthus come in green and red, and they are just like this fuzzy looking, fun textural flower. Everyone wants to feel it and goes, what is this? And the hanging amaranthus drape really low and hang out of the bouquet or the arrangement. It's just really a fun flower. My 5th and final would be chrysanthemums, and a lot of other people have said chrysanthemums are their favorites as well. And that makes sense because it's a really popular fall flower. It's one that a lot of people think of when they think of autumn time. I'm a little picky about my chrysanthemums though. The kinds that you see at the grocery store all year round, I get a little sick of those. I like to have a little more variety in my colors. There are so many fun varieties out there, like mauve, a mauve chrysanthemum. It's so pretty, and again, it plays really well with other flowers. It's a great team player. So that would be my top 5 right there: dahlias, hydrangeas, snowberries, amaranthus, and chrysanthemums. I'll give you a couple honorable mentions though. Sunflowers, those are always really fun, and zinnias. Zinnias can be a little bit of a diva flower to me. We have some bad blood between us. We've had a bad history, but they're really beautiful and they can be worth it if you use them correctly. So there you go. Those are my top 5 favorite flowers. I'm really excited for the autumn season. It's only September, so there's a lot more of it to be had and enjoyed. And I hope that you're enjoying your fall as well. Make sure you comment and tell me what you think of this post, and make sure if you want to defend that zinnia or that chrysanthemum, you feel like I'm not giving it enough credit, let me know. I'd love to hear about it and we can talk about it. Have a great day, guys, and stay tuned for next week when we talk about more of my favorite autumn things. Have a good one.